Hi, it's Melina here from DIY Pinterest. First, I want to say that I apologize that I haven't been around in a minute. However, while I was gone, I was deciding what I should do with this channel. And today is the day, Channel Name Change Day. Welcome to DIY Your Life. I have a knack with organization. I have always been super organized, and now I'm going to share my tips and tricks with you. So stay tuned for live videos, streams, daily videos, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm super glad we have found each other. Please share this video with your friends and let them know all about DIY Your Life. Post on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Don't be shy, we all need a little more organization now and then. Goodbye for now, and I will see you later in the next vid.